Unease seems to be mounting inside the Rashtriya Janata Dal, and the timing couldn't be more awkward for the Mahagathbandhan. On the very day the alliance unveiled its joint manifesto, the Tejaswi Front, promising jobs, justice and a new deal for Bihar, the RJD faced an open fierce revolt from one of its own. Former RJD Mahila Morcha President Ritu Jaiswal, once projected as the party's grassroots face, has accused the leadership of nepotism and double standards after being denied a ticket from Sitamarhi's Parihar seat. Soon after she did not get the ticket, Jaiswal announced that she would contest as an independent candidate. In response, the RJD expelled her for 6 years for what it called anti-party activity. In a sharp post on social media, Jaiswal reacted by hitting out at the leadership, calling out what she described as the party's selective discipline. She cited the example of Mohammad Kamran, asking why a loyal MLA and party treasurer was removed despite his record of service. Including Mohammad Kamran, RJD's treasurer and the sitting MLA from Gobindpur in Nawada district, 27 party members were dropped or expelled in the latest round of disciplinary action. Jaiswal's remarks also targeted senior leader Ramchandra Pur, alleging that his family members were rewarded with tickets despite facing similar charges of anti-party behavior during the 2020 polls. The RJD has fielded Samadpur Gupta in Parihar, while the BJP has named Gayatri Devi. Jaiswal, now contesting as an independent, could split RJD's core vote base in a key seat the party had hoped to consolidate under its women's outreach strategy. For the Mahagathbandhan, which had hoped the Tejaswi Front would set the tone for its campaign, these internal turmoils within the RJD have shifted the spotlight from the alliance's promises to its own fault lines. As Tejaswi Yadav seeks to position himself as the face of Bihar's youth and change, these cracks within his party raise a larger question. Can the rebels now become the Mahagathbandhan's biggest political challenge? Let us know what you think in the comment section.